Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marabella. I would like to take you into a meditation today. I'm here with my beautiful friend Sachi, and I was getting ready to meditate, and I thought maybe somebody else would like to meditate with me. So you can come into a comfortable place to be, and you can, if you have a yoga mat, you can always sit up on your knees and place the yoga mat under your knees as a way of keeping your spine straight. But today I'm just gonna sit cross-legged, and meditation is one of the best things that we can do for our bodies and for our mind. Coming into a manifestation practice, it's always great to still the mind, still the body. I have found that when I meditate more, I need less sleep. Also, I just have a more calm and peaceful demeanor to me when I've been meditating regularly. So we're just going to come into that comfortable seated position and closing our eyes. We're going to take a few nice deep breaths into our solar plexus. 3 nice deep breaths. And then we're going to come into our heart space. And go ahead and just place your hands on your heart, allowing your shoulders to drop. And just imagining that you can breathe through your heart. Just allowing your breath to have its own rhythm. And now, placing your hands on your knees. You can put your fingers in a circle with your thumb and your forefinger touching. You can also place your hands on your knees to sort of ground yourself. Or you can place your hands palms up for receiving information. And we're going to take a nice deep breath in to the count of 5. And what I like to do is, as I'm breathing in, I count on my fingers silently. So go ahead and follow along, and I'll lead. Looks something like this. So inhale. Hold for 5. Exhale for 5, using our fingers again. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do this on our own. Inhaling for 5, holding for 5, exhaling for 5. We're going to do that 5 times, and we can keep track on the other hand. finish, come join me in the heart breathing again, placing our hands on our hearts. Imagining that you're breathing through your heart. And then we'll put our hands together, palms together. Taking a nice deep breath in, and we will chant Om 3 times. Breath in. Om. Nice deep breath in. Om. Another last deep breath in. Om. And just feeling the goodness that you've just given your body, mind, and spirit and soul. And we say Namaste.